She won't let me touch it. Look, what is that? What is that? You're too far over. You can't. I can't see. What is that? What is that? What is that, Mama? What is that? You're choking yourself.
I think she has the hiccups.
She does. She gave herself the hiccup. You gave Mommy a headache.
She never giggled.
No.
She doesn't even know what to do.
What is that? What is that, Mama?
Hiccup ups, that's what that is.
You got hiccup up? No more laughing? That was... What is that? What are those? What is that, Mama? That's enough, Daddy. I'm all